Hello guys, Sat Sri Akal ji ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. So today we are introducing you British School of Language, which is a language school located in Kanpur who provides classes on spoken English, foreign languages, IELTS and many more. And also you can take free demo on the number given in description. So guys, what are you waiting for? Here is a short video for you all. Go and enjoy guys, and also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.
Pursuing IELTS from British School of Language. Here we receive a good training by a good teacher where we learn different techniques and in our IELTS, and we give mock tests every week so that we can improve in our actual test. Thank you.
Me call and I'm studying in British School of Language where there are very good trainers and we get modules every week. There are also mock conducted every week and we get also very good guidance.
Baba. I plan to give IELTS this month only, and my father advised me to join a coaching for that. So I joined British School of Language. The trainers here are very into it and they guide us pretty well. Mock tests are conducted every week, and which builds up an environment for giving IELTS in real life.
Good afternoon, people. I'm Harshpreet Kaur. I'm a member of the BSL faculty and from the Fazilganj Center. We're here. We prepare people for their future endeavors. Okay, it's like that people come here for enhancing their communication skills, most importantly, and personality development. So let me give you a glance of the classroom first of all. Come on. A nice place, and this is the furniture over here. I teach people over here. At times I use the whiteboard for writing grammar and providing them with special vocabulary. You see, every word has its own importance. You can define, let me just take an example. Suppose if anyone is confused, so he may say I'm confused, but he can also say I'm perplexed. So you see the difference between the words, okay? It's just that people come here to enhance their skills, communication skills, from basic English to advanced English, and we prepare the students for the same purpose. And when I joined BSL, I was quite nervous about it, but I found the environment very motivating and very innovative. We take up a lot of personality development modules which I never undertook with my previous students. So we take up introduction skills, mock interviews, blog writing, which is quite intriguing and interesting for the people. Moreover, after that, when students leave this campus, they leave with a lot of memories and their enhanced communication skills. The best part of this place is you get to meet people who have different future plans and they belong to different fields. I'm teaching people who are studying law, I'm teaching people who are studying or preparing for IAS, which is very interesting for me because in the future I can say, oh, I've taught these people. So BSL is a place where people come to fetch their dreams and to make their dreams into reality by enhancing their communication skills and their knowledge. Thank you.
I'm Monica. I would like to share my feedback with BSL. I joined BSL since December, and when I came here, I meet the faculty like Gurmeet sir, and there are very experienced faculty, and I must say that they are very supportive. When I came here, I have a lack of confidence, and I don't understand how to think in English and how to speak well. So they taught me that don't do the translation in Hindi to English. You should think in English, and now I am capable of thinking in English, and they help me to improve my vocabulary also. Thank you.